Okay, welcome to this video. Happy New Year, everybody. And I want to send this. I just want to give this video out for free, so those who are interested can use to make money. Very simple. All you need is patience and your price action knowledge, and maybe this band, my magic band. And I think that's all I'm going to teach. Just very simple. Okay, so just watch, observe, and then go to your chart and practice and observe on your charts. Make sure you master it before you put real money. Okay, this is crash 500 15-minute time frame. It can be used on any time frame. Yeah, any time frame. So let's go straight to the point, to the deal. Let's go straight to the deal. Now, let me get my tools. So in this, we are assuming that this is the concept. Let me take this one. The concept is this: when market heads up, okay, and stops at a particular point, and you see it again coming down, there's something here that made it not to go further up. You understand? Good. So market came down, kept coming down. All of a sudden, it began to go back up again, to this same point where it stopped before. And when market got back up to that same point, chances are that what happened the last time when market got to this point might, not must, because it's not 100% in forex, okay, might happen again here. Okay, so when market gets here the first time and begin to go down, all you have to do is take up your trend line and draw your line into the future. Okay, just the way you see it here from this point, you draw into the future like this, and then wait on any time frame you are, wait for market to come back and play itself back to that same point again. You get it? So when market gets to that same point, you wait to see what it will do. You understand? Uh-huh. So there's something I can't say here. That's for my students, so it's not for public. But just wait to get here. When you get here, okay, when you see the market not being able to go further in like this, you understand? If the market is not being able to go further in, okay, into this place, and then you now see it pulling back again from that spot, then you can enter that trade and put your stop loss above this place here. I'm going to show you an example. This is just an illustration. Okay, and put your stop loss here, and your TP number one is this point, because the market definitely will run down and pass through that point, coming to this point where it started, or it might keep still going down just like that. But your first TP is this point where it reverses back up. That's the simple logic. Do you get it now? I'm sure some of you can see it on the chart now. Very clear. Can you see? All right, so let us begin. Let us begin. Okay, these two. We're supposed to leave this chart now. Okay, just take the eraser and wipe everything away. Okay, now let's begin with the example. So what do you do? Let's assume this place does not exist. Okay, let's assume it doesn't exist. Okay, I might need the color. Let me change it back. Okay. So let's assume it doesn't exist. And then we saw our own market heading towards the zone. Somewhere here, you can see a zone here coming from this side. And then you saw market again coming down and then heading back up towards this zone. You understand me? Again. In fact, there are three examples here. Let me just start again so you can see them very clearly. Let me start again so you can see very clearly. So from market got to this point here. Hold on, let me drop this down. All right, so market got to this point here, and then when it got to this point, what happened? It began to what? Began to drop to a lower band. Remember, our band is very helpful. You can see me always using this band because upper band signifies supply zone, lower band signifies demand zone. Okay, so at this upper band here, when market got here, sellers were there waiting. Okay, now sellers were there waiting, and then they pushed the price down to the buyers in the lower band. Okay, now when the market left that seller zone, so it is now an opportunity for you to do what? To mark that particular zone. Mark it up. So you ensure that the very tip, your marker must be on the very high. Okay, and you extend it into the future. You understand? Into the future. Remember, we are assuming that price has not gotten to this place yet. Remember? So just only here yet. So the moment you see price coming down, leaving that particular supply zone, all you have to do is draw your box, rectangular box from the high, this high here, and extend it into the future, waiting for price to come back there again. You get it? Good. Now look at this one here also. Look at this one here also. You can see this one here. Price got here, went back up. You draw your box again here. Okay. You draw your box again. Make sure it covers the low. Look at the low. That's the low there. You draw into the future. You can see how it's playing out. Right? Good. Now, we are assuming as well that uh, this place from here up like this does not exist. Okay? Price got here, came back down. We draw our box into the future here. Price came back down to the lower band. At the lower band, we're expecting a reaction. There was a first reaction up, it came back down again, and then went back up again. The moment it's going back up, we saw a reversal point there. You draw a rectangle box into the future. So here, down here, has not yet happened. Remember? Good. So by the time price has now come into our zone here, can you see where it first left? Coming back, the chances are that what happened here when it came down might happen again, meaning it might come down. You understand? Good. So you wait for it to see the moment it drops into the zone proper, it leaves your zone proper, then you can enter. You put your stop loss above the box here, and you can enter. You can see what happened here. It just went up a little and then it dropped to your TP. TP is lower band. If you are buying, TP upper band. If you are selling, TP lower band. And came back into the box you drew in the future. From here, you can see. So you wait a little for price to start reversing back into the box a little, into the band a little. Then you enter, put your stop loss below this band, and TP got price got your TP upper band, and you close. That's how many trades for that day. You can see very, very simple strategy. Very simple strategy. All you have to do is to be patient, wait for price to uh, wait for price to come to your zone, okay, that you have drawn. Observe it where it reversed. What stopped it the first time might stop it again the second time. Do you understand? What stopped price the first time might stop price again the second time from passing through that particular level. You get it now. Very good. So let's see if we can get more examples, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, I think I can see one here. It's always there anyway. It's always there. It's always there. Look at it. It's always there. It's always there. Okay, so I'll continue this next example in the next video, right? Thank you.